Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Spud for Bakers Pride Part R3007X. Spud for Bakers Pride Part R3007X is a replacement part for the Bakers Pride ovens. It is a stainless steel spud that is used to connect the oven to the gas line. The spud has a half NPT female connection on one end and a 3/4 NPT male connection on the other end. It also includes a 3/4 NPT plug for closing off the gas line when not in use. This part is designed to fit all Bakers Pride ovens, including models R3007X, R3008X, and R3010X. The spud is made of durable stainless steel and is designed to last for years of reliable service. This part fixes the following symptoms. The spud for Bakers Pride Part R3007X is a replacement part for the Bakers Pride ovens. It is used to replace a worn or damaged spud assembly, which is responsible for controlling the gas flow to the oven. This part helps to ensure that the oven operates safely and efficiently. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the oven. 2. Remove the existing spud from the oven by unscrewing it from the back of the oven. 3. Install the new spud for Bakers Pride Part R3007X by inserting it into the hole in the back of the oven and securing it with screws. 4. Turn on the power to the oven and test that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.